We've been interested in environmental risk factors for dementia in general for a long time now, and there's convincing evidence from the literature that air pollution is bad for your brain. There's even more evidence it's bad for your heart, and it's linked to heart disease and stroke, and there's good evidence about what mechanisms that might have in the body, but why it could affect the brain is a lot less clear. And even more importantly, we don't know when in your life it's particularly harmful to be exposed to air pollution, to poorer air quality. And one real limitation in this area is that we haven't been measuring air quality for very long. It only goes back a few decades when various governments have been mandating it. So what we tried to do in this study was model historical air pollution from earlier in the 20th century so that we could combine these with good high-quality cohort studies and examine when in the life course it might be particularly damaging to be exposed to air pollution. We've been using the Lothian Birth Cohort 1936 study, which is a group of about 1,000 people living in and around Edinburgh who were born in 1936. It's a very interesting study because we have their intelligence test scores from the age of 11, and then they've subsequently been followed up from the age of 70. So we have information about their cognitive abilities throughout their life. So linking that with this historical air pollution data that we've been generating in conjunction with the Centre for Ecology and Hydrology, we have been able to look at the effect of air pollution throughout the life course. And what seems to be the case is that it's exposure to air pollution early in life. So perhaps in utero, certainly as a child into the teens, that is most particularly detrimental to cognitive decline over the life course. And there's a lot of evidence for the importance of early life risk factors of a variety of kinds for dementias of all kinds. And it seems that air pollution is another one of these disorders, that actually it's early in life that the risk is particularly accumulated, and it comes back to this phrase we've heard a lot at the conference about it's never too early to start thinking about preventing Alzheimer's disease.